The Mahindra Xylo is back in 2025, and it's better than ever. Redesigned with a modern edge and packed with features, the Xylo aims to reclaim its space in the Indian MPV market. Built for families, fleet operators, and long-distance travelers, the 2025 Xylo combines rugged practicality with a surprising amount of comfort. Let's take a deep dive into what this new Xylo offers, from design and performance to tech, comfort, and of course, pricing. Cut to front angle of the car. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mahindra Xylo has received a substantial design upgrade. The front grille now features a bold chrome-accented design, flanked by redesigned LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs. The bumper is beefier, with silver skid plates adding a sporty touch. Side profile remains familiar, but the sharp character lines and 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels give it a more premium look. At the rear, LED taillights and a redesigned tailgate complete the package. Interior shot, dashboard and seating. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a big leap forward. You're greeted with a dual-tone dashboard, soft-touch materials in the top variant, and a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster is part digital, with a 7-inch TFT display providing vehicle stats, trip info, and more. Mahindra has also added ambient lighting and leatherette upholstery in the top-spec variant for that upmarket feel. Cut to seating and space. One of the biggest selling points of the Xylo has always been space, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. It comes in both 7-seater and 8-seater configurations with captain or bench seats in the middle row. Legroom and headroom are ample in all 3 rows, and the rear AC vents now come with dual-zone control. The seats are wider and more contoured for added comfort on long drives. Cut to under the hood. Under the hood, Mahindra has opted for its tried and tested 2.2 litres M-Hawk diesel engine, tuned to deliver better performance and fuel efficiency. The engine produces around 140 bhp and 330 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional 6-speed automatic gearbox. The new Xylo also benefits from improved insulation, so engine noise and road sounds are well controlled. Driving footage on highways and rough terrain. On the road, the Xylo feels planted and refined. The suspension setup has been reworked for a better ride quality. Whether you're tackling potholes in the city or cruising on the highway, the new Xylo handles it with ease. The steering is light enough for urban driving but offers good feedback at higher speeds. Tech and features montage. In terms of features, the 2025 Xylo gets a major tech overhaul. It includes cruise control, auto headlamps, rain-sensing wipers, a 360-degree camera, and connected car technology with remote engine start, geofencing, and live vehicle tracking. You also get multiple USB charging ports across all rows, wireless charging for the front seat, and an upgraded 8-speaker sound system for a more immersive audio experience. Cut to safety section. Safety-wise, Mahindra has made sure the Xylo is well equipped. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, Electronic Stability Program, ESP, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Top-end variants add 6 airbags and a tire pressure monitoring system. It has scored well in internal crash tests and is expected to perform decently in official ratings too. Breakdown with graphics, variant-wise pricing. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Mahindra Xylo is available in 5 variants. Xylo E2, base, I superscript 110.49 lakh. Xylo E4, I superscript 111.59 lakh. Xylo E6, I superscript 112.99 lakh. Xylo E8, I superscript 114.49 lakh. Xylo ELX, top variant, I superscript 115.99 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom India. Considering what you get at the rugged reliability of Mahindra, modern features, and the amount of space, it's safe to say the new Xylo offers solid value for money. Whether you're a large family or someone looking for a people mover that doesn't feel outdated, this could be the right choice. Closing shot of the Xylo driving off into the sunset. That's our detailed look at the 2025 Mahindra Xylo. What do you think of the upgrades? Would you consider it over rivals like the Maruti Ertiga or Kia Carens? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth auto reviews.